Okay, I got here the unbox of a new tool, and it's supposed to be a TIG welder, TIG stick welder. Let's see. I got a user manual. I got that weird power adapter. I got ground clamp. I got a stick torch for stick welding. I got a TIG torch. Yep. It's my TIG torch. Comes and they also give me some different tips. This is the machine itself. Nothing else in the box. Power cable. And the machine itself. Okay, stick or TIG. Amp regulation and gas delay regulation. It says K-GUARD on the back. I got the connection for my gas, and that's it. And the power cable. I'll test it and see if it works. Okay, so now I'm gonna start assembling the thing and see if it welds anything. This is the power cable. I'll remove the zip the wire here. I'll plug it to the wall. it's on. Funny thing, it came on. Now I'm gonna connect the ground clamp. I'm gonna try it for a stick right now. Okay, so this is the ground clamp. It's not very long. I'll use it on this side, put it on the piece of iron I'm gonna weld. Like so. Then I got my stick electrode, my electrode holder clamp, electrode clamp. I'm gonna connect it here. Okay. Now I'm on stick mode. This would be for TIG, so I'm gonna turn it on. 10 amps. I'm gonna increase it to about 100 amps. 100. Not sure if you can see. It says 100 there. See? Now I'm gonna fit an electrode and see if it welds. My mask and my gloves, just wait a moment. My gloves. Okay, my mask is on, and I'm gonna give it a try. Looks like it's too strong. $75 amps. Looks like it goes pretty good. Yeah, it does pretty good. I'm going to show you the weld. Okay, and as you can see here, in what it concerns to stick welding, only at 75 amps, it did a pretty good job. No complaints about it. That part had been done with this MIG, with this cheap MIG. And now I got that one. I got two. See? But this one did pretty good. Then I'm gonna buy argon gas and test the TIG. Only at 75 amps I did this welding. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so look at this weld. From here to here, it's a pretty good weld for a cheap machine. And I'm not a pro, I'm just doing this for fun. This part here had been done with the MIG, it was too weak. And that one there, it goes, oh, I got it turned off. It goes all the way up to 200 amps. So it goes to 200. Minimum is 10. So I got it set to 75. Okay, it works fine. Now I only have to test the TIG. It's a TIG-200C K-GUARD. Pretty good. For stick welding, it is pretty good.